Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Antank magnetic wireless charger. It's compatible with the iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and of course the iPhone 13 series. G certified fast wireless charging. It's a charging stand for iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro Mini. Every device which comes with a magnetic field is compatible. That means Halo lock system or the good old Apple system by using that device here. It is MagSafe compatible. MagSafe is a really nice option to reload your smartphone because there are magnets on the backside and they will adjust the right setup that your phone is in the center above the charging pad, and this is possible with that device. It comes with USB-C and USB-A port. It has no AC adapter, but you have at home a lot of AC adapters, or you can use your computer USB for it. It comes in the color of black. Perfectly designed for iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. This magnetic wireless charger is compatible with all the 12 and 13 series of the iPhone and with official magnetic cases. Strong aligned magnet charging. This magnetic wireless charger makes fast wireless charging a snap. The outer aligned magnets coil ensures perfect section alignment between phone and charger and has a strong magnetic adsorption for stable and efficient charging without dropping. It also supports phone rotation 360 degrees, so we can watch, talk, and we have our hands free while charging our cell phone. And develop faster wireless charging up to 7.5 watt to charge our phone 30% faster than standard wireless chargers out there. It takes less than 3.5 hours charging from 0 to 100%. It comes with one Type-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A converter. It can work with the most of chargers. Of course, the best thing is we use a PD or a QC 3.0 adapter for safe and fast charging. This is not included, but this will make fast charging enable for our device. And there are head or heat dissipations holes at the bottom for overheat protection, surge protection, and short circuit protection during wireless charging as well. There are also 3 color LED ring indicator. This indicates the current charging status, increasing weight or both of the bottom, and add a rubber anti-slip pad, making the wireless charging station stand more stable. They aim to provide safer and higher efficient fast charger, and it's charged directly through the certificated compatible magnetic phone case. Of course, no guarantee that a third-party case will work with the magnetic wireless charger. So you have to charge without phone case, or we're going to use a certificated magnetic case compatible with the smartphone of 12 and 13 series. Of course. But you can try, and if it works, good. Otherwise, you remove your case. The Antank magnetic wireless charger designed only for iPhone 12 and 13 series with USB-C input cable and USB-A port input too. Magnetic alignment, G standard. With that G standard, of course, you can reload or charge other devices on it too. But because of that flat area, there's a problem to let the smartphone stay in position very well, okay? So it's better to use a MagSafe compatible device with it. No interferences of 5G speed, 3.5 hours on full charge, 7.5 watt fast charge, and a charger status indicator. It will give us information about the status of charging. We reviews overheated fast charging. That's awesome. Conventional wireless charging are possible, and you will see it on the screen how much your phone is reloaded. This is the really awesome Antank magnetic wireless charger. It's compatible with the iPhone 12 and 13 series, and of course the Pros and the Minis too, and the Max versions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.